In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze the first column in Google Sheets. Freezing the first column is a simple way to keep important labels or identifiers visible while you scroll across a wide spreadsheet. This is especially helpful if your first column contains names, IDs, product codes, or any reference that you need to see, no matter how far to the right you scroll. Start by opening your Google Sheets document in your web browser. Once your sheet is open on the screen, look toward the very top of the page for the main menu bar. You'll see options like File, Edit, and right next to them, View. Click on the View menu to reveal a list of display options that control how your sheet appears and behaves. In the View menu, hover your mouse over the option labeled Freeze. Don't click yet, just move your cursor onto it and pause. A submenu will appear to the side. This submenu gives you quick choices for freezing rows or columns. Since we want the first column to stay in place, look for the Columns section and select one column. Go ahead and click that. The change is applied instantly. You'll notice a gray vertical line appear to the right of the first column, indicating that it's locked in place. Now try scrolling horizontally through your sheet. Drag the bottom scroll bar to the right. As you move across columns B, C, D, and beyond, the first column remains fixed on the left, making it easy to track which row you're looking at without losing context. This small adjustment can make a big difference when you're reviewing wide datasets, comparing numbers across many fields, or presenting information to others. It helps reduce scrolling back and forth and keeps your reference information anchored. If you ever need to make changes later, the same View Freeze menu is where you can adjust the setting. You can choose a different number of columns or remove the freeze entirely from that same place. Also keep in mind that freezing columns is purely a viewing preference. It doesn't affect your data, formulas, or how the sheet prints unless you choose to include frozen sections in the print setup. And that's all there is to it. Open your sheet, go to View, hover over Freeze, and select one column. With the first column now frozen, you can scroll across your data with confidence, keeping the most important details right where you need them.